Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see about monetary economics. Chapter 5 Monetary Economics. What do you mean by monetary economics? Monetary means money dealings. Okay. Um, Monetary economics is a branch of economics, one of the branch of economics. It provides a framework for analyzing the money. Analyzing money. It is the functions as so first one is the medium of exchange, the second one is the store of value, third one is the unit of account. Okay, now we are going to see about what is the meaning of monetary economics or money. What is the meaning and what is the definitions of the money? Money is anything that is generally accepted as a payment for the goods and services and a repayment of debt, and it's a serve as a medium of exchange. It is the meaning of money. Money is anything. Okay. The great economist Walker and economist Grother also given definitions for money. Walker definition: money is money, what money does. Money is what money does. This definition is given by economist Walker. And then money can be anything that is generally acceptable as a means of exchange and at the same time act as a measure and store of value. This definition given by Grother. Okay, this is the definitions and meaning of the money. The next one we are going to see about the evaluation of money. Evaluation of money. The first one is the barter system. Second one is the metallic standard. Third one is the gold standard. And next one is the paper currency and plastic money. And last one is the cryptocurrency. Okay. Now we are going to see about one by one. First one is a barter system. Barter system was introduced by Mesopotamia tribes. Before money invented, exchange took place by barter. Commodities and services were directly exchanged for other commodities and services. Exchange goods for goods was known as the barter exchange or barter system. For example, for skin and rice, salt, wheat, weapons, etc. Both buyers and sellers faced so many problems. Okay, this is a barter system. Good for goods, goods for goods. It's a barter system. Goods for goods. See this. This is a barter system. Okay. Then next one is a metallic standard. Metallic standard means after barter system, modern money system evolved. Okay. It is the premier one. This one is a premier one. Metallic standard is a premier one. Either gold or silver is used to determine the standard value on the money. Standard coins made out of metals. They have a full bodied or full weighted legal tender. This is called the metallic standard. Then next one is a gold standard. It is a system in which the value of monetary unit or the standard currency is direct with the gold. The purchasing power of a unit of money is maintained equal to the value of a fixed weight of gold. This is a gold standard. This one is a gold stand. The next one is a paper money. Paper money, it refers to the monetary system in which the paper currency notes issued by the treasury or general bank or both circulate unlimited tender. It is not convertible into any metal. It's not at all convertible to any other metal. It is also known as a managed currency standard. Managed currency standard. The quantity of money in circulation is controlled by monetary authority to maintain the price stability. This is a paper currency. The next one is a plastic money. Plastic money is one of the most evolved form of financial product. It is an alternative to cash or the standard money. For example, cash card, credit cards, and debit cards, prepaid cash cards, and store cards, and then fax cards and smart cards. This is otherwise is called the plastic money. Then next one is a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, it is a digital currency in which the techniques are used regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds operating the um, independently of a central bank. This one is called a cryptocurrency. So these are under the evaluation of money. Evaluation of money. The first one is a barter system. Barter system. Second one is a metallic standard. Third one is a gold standard. Fourth one is a paper currency. Then fifth one is a plastic money. Last one is a cryptocurrency. These are the evaluation of money.